Hi guys, today we are going to see how to install Flatpak in Debian 12. First I will put this link on the video description. Enter the link and follow this step. First we are going to install Flatpak. We copy this command, open system tools, open terminal, enter the CU to enter الادمين, type the password. Now paste the command. After that we are going to install software Flatpak plugin. We are using Genome, so we are going to choose the first one, copy the first one, paste it. After that we are going to add the FlatHub repository. Copy the command, the full command, copy the command, put it in terminal. After that type exit and restart your computer. And after you restart your computer, you open system tools. You find software. You can install any Linux software, Flatpak Linux software. You can find many software here. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it helped you, press like to the video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. And thank you.